Black Myth Wukong keyboard from Keychron. I can't read Chinese, but I'm sure it says Keychron keyboard X Black Myth Wukong. Paper. Quick start guide so you can start your keyboard quickly. Chinese instructions. More Chinese stuff for some reason. More Chinese stuff. More quick starting. Oh, look. You get golden keys and a little gourd that is going to be the knob. Yeah. Dongle. Very heavy keycap. Oi. So this is my normal keyboard. It's the Keychron Q1 It's the one with the rapid triggers and stuff that's been going trendy. Also, I checked, they don't make a Keychron Q1 She. Sorry, ladies. So I think this one looks amazing, but the Q1 sounds so much better. And because of where the plug is, I can't really swap case if I wanted. So why would they do that? What the fuck, Keychron? Looks amazing though. I could just use the keycaps, not the case. Doesn't matter. I don't need to be looking at this thing anyway. If this one works well, I hope Keychron make collaborations with, you know, other games. That would be cool.